When it comes to choosing the best help desk software, many businesses find themselves torn between HubSpot Service Hub and Jira Service Management. Both are well-known solutions, but which one is the right fit for your business needs? Let's dive into the features, advantages, and limitations of both so you can make an informed decision. Stick around to the end because I'll be recommending an alternative that could potentially give you more value than either of these two. First thing, let's talk about the user experience. HubSpot Service Hub is known for its clean and easy-to-use interface. If you're already using HubSpot CRM, it integrates seamlessly with your existing tools, making it incredibly intuitive for teams to jump in without a steep learning curve. On the other hand, Jira Service Management offers a bit of a steeper learning curve. Its interface is more tailored to technical teams, offering a lot of customization, but it might overwhelm a non-technical user. Next thing, let's look at the ticketing system. HubSpot Service Hub provides a highly efficient ticketing system with robust automation options. It allows you to automatically assign tickets, set priorities, and even create workflows, which can save you time. Jira Service Management, however, is more focused on a powerful issue tracking system, making it perfect for teams that deal with complex technical support issues. But while it's highly customizable, the complexity can make it more difficult to set up if you don't have a technical background. The third thing to consider is reporting and analytics. HubSpot Service Hub offers a range of reports, including customer satisfaction scores, ticket resolution times, and agent performance. It's great for getting a quick overview, but if you need deeply customizable reports, you might find it lacking. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, shines here. It provides advanced reporting capabilities that can be tailored to almost any need, especially for teams that are managing a large volume of technical issues. If data-driven decisions are important to you, Jira might be the winner. The fourth thing to evaluate is customer support options. HubSpot Service Hub excels in this area with its easy-to-access knowledge base, community forums, and live chat support. It's built with simplicity in mind, making it easy to offer great support without being overwhelmed. Jira Service Management offers robust support tools too, but it's really designed for more technical teams. The self-service portal is excellent for technical support, but can be a bit overkill if you're just looking for straightforward customer service solutions. Finally, pricing is a major factor. HubSpot Service Hub can be a little pricier than Jira Service Management, especially as your team grows and you need to add more seats. But it's more of an all-in-one package, especially for those already using HubSpot CRM. Jira Service Management, on the other hand, has a more flexible pricing structure, but with the need for additional apps or integrations, the cost can easily stack up. So, both HubSpot Service Hub and Jira Service Management have their strengths. HubSpot is great for simplicity and ease of use, while Jira is more tailored to technical teams with its deep customization and robust reporting. But here's the thing, both platforms come with limitations, especially if you're looking for the most efficient and flexible help desk software for managing customer service at scale. After testing both of these platforms myself, I have to say that while HubSpot Service Hub and Jira Service Management are solid tools, they may not be the best fit for every business. If you want a truly powerful and customizable solution that's easier to implement and has all the essential features, I'd recommend trying a different software. To get started, check out the link in the description to grab an exclusive free trial that's only available to my viewers. It could save you time and money, giving you a better alternative for your help desk needs.